mean, which block do you want to talk about? All of the food here is really incredible, and we're really fortunate to be in a neighborhood where we have a high concentration of sit-down dine-in restaurants, family-oriented, long-standing traditional restaurants with incredible recipes and a high following, you know? So we're really lucky to be able to pick any block that you want to go to and sit down and have a good meal, and everything is really affordable, and I've literally never had a bad meal.
Bueno, los murales, las áreas de ver los murales, sí, está el área, todos los murales que han hecho ahora eh, en diferentes negocios.
Like it's very oppressive when it comes to creativity in marginalized neighborhoods or communities. So I never knew that growing up. What I actually what thoughts or ideas I had were like, yo, I'm actually a creative. I guess.
I'm really lost. And I think that's the first time in my life I realized, I guess, the importance of being a U.S. citizen, and the drawbacks, and I felt displaced. I grew up here, and I felt just as American as anybody else. And I think it was really hard to realize, you're not, like you're not, and,
People, staff, I say, make that. And they said, you guys got to put that love in there. It's got to be consistent. And I said, this guacamole is going to someone's dinner or someone's party or something. And you may not know, but that you just affect and you're a part of that. That they're someone's birthday party or someone's wedding or something, you're a part of that. You just don't know that you made it special for them. And so I tell them, even with our chorizo and stuff, that you're a part of that. And even serving that. So that's what I'm trying to, I like my memories is trying to get someone to understand that your job is important.
One of the things that people haven't been able to deal with is the root problem is talking about race. And so, that discussion doesn't seem to happen very easily. And so, a lot of times, unless you're really dealing with some of the root feelings and, the attitudes, you're just kind of glossing over everything. So, the change in this community is going to happen.